Welcome to your health channel, your home of great and vital health tips. Today, we unravel the mysteries surrounding liver disease, from recognizing its symptoms and understanding its causes to implementing preventive measures. But before we delve into the depths of liver health, let's first explore the vital functions that make the liver a powerhouse of the body. The liver, nestled in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen, performs a multitude of essential functions that keep our bodies in balance. From detoxification and metabolism to nutrient storage and immune regulation, the liver's role is unparalleled in maintaining overall health and vitality. These key functions include detoxifying harmful substances, metabolizing fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, storing glycogen and essential vitamins, producing bile for digestion, and regulating immune responses. Next, let's look at symptoms of liver disease. While the liver is a resilient organ, it can still signal distress through various symptoms. Among many, here are 10 key signs to watch out for. Before we continue, please hit the subscribe button to be notified of next video. Thanks for doing this. First on our list is jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes. Jaundice occurs due to the buildup of bilirubin, a yellow pigment, in the blood. It's a hallmark sign of liver dysfunction. Next is fatigue and weakness. Liver disease can lead to fatigue and weakness due to impaired metabolism and energy production. 3. Abdominal pain and swelling. Liver enlargement or inflammation can cause abdominal discomfort and swelling. 4. Nausea and vomiting. Liver disease can disrupt digestion and lead to symptoms like nausea and vomiting. 5. Loss of appetite and weight loss. Liver dysfunction can affect appetite and nutrient absorption, leading to unintended weight loss. 6. Dark urine and pale-colored stools. Changes in urine and stool color can indicate problems with bile production and excretion by the liver. 7. Itchy skin. Accumulation of bile salts in the bloodstream due to liver dysfunction can cause itching. 8. Swelling in the legs and ankles. Liver disease can result in fluid retention, leading to swelling in the lower extremities. 9. Easy bruising and bleeding. Impaired liver function can affect blood clotting, increasing the risk of bruising and bleeding. 10. Confusion and disorientation. In advanced stages of liver disease, toxins can build up in the bloodstream and affect brain function, leading to confusion and disorientation. Causes of liver disease. Having looked at key functions and symptoms, let's delve into the intricate web of factors that can contribute to liver disease. Understanding these causes is crucial for prevention and early intervention. Here are some among many common causes to be aware of. First on our list is alcohol abuse and excessive drinking. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to alcoholic liver disease, causing liver inflammation, fatty liver, and cirrhosis. Two. Hepatitis viruses, such as hepatitis B and C. Viral infections can cause inflammation and damage to the liver, leading to chronic liver disease. 3. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. NAFLD is characterized by the accumulation of fat in the liver and is often associated with obesity and metabolic syndrome. 4. Cirrhosis, scarring of the liver tissue. Cirrhosis is the end stage of chronic liver disease, characterized by extensive scarring and loss of liver function. 5. Autoimmune liver diseases. Conditions like autoimmune hepatitis can cause the immune system to attack the liver, leading to inflammation and damage. 6. Genetic disorders, e.g., hemochromatosis. Inherited genetic mutations can affect liver function and metabolism, leading to liver disease. 7. Certain medications and toxins. Some medications and environmental toxins can cause liver damage and liver disease. 8. Infections, e.g., malaria. Certain infections, such as malaria, can affect the liver and lead to liver dysfunction. 9. Metabolic disorders, e.g., Wilson's disease. Metabolic disorders can disrupt liver function and lead to liver disease. 10. Biliary tract disorders, e.g., bile duct obstruction. Conditions affecting the bile ducts can impair bile flow and lead to liver damage. Lack of regular exercise increases risk of fatty liver disease. Sedentary behavior and lack of exercise contribute to the accumulation of visceral fat, which can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Prevention of liver disease. Our journey culminates in exploring prevention strategies to protect the liver from harm. Empowering ourselves with knowledge and adopting healthy habits can go a long way in preserving liver function. Here are some among many other actionable prevention tactics. 1. Limit alcohol consumption and practice moderation. Limiting alcohol intake reduces the risk of alcoholic liver disease and cirrhosis. 2. Maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and metabolic disorders. 3. Get vaccinated against hepatitis viruses. Vaccination reduces the risk of hepatitis B and C infections, which are significant causes of liver disease. 4. Practice safe sex. Practicing safe sex reduces the risk of sexually transmitted infections, including hepatitis viruses. 5. Avoid the use of illicit drugs. Illicit drug use can increase the risk of viral hepatitis and liver damage. 6. Use medications and supplements cautiously. Using medications and supplements as directed by healthcare providers reduces the risk of medication-induced liver damage. 7. Practice good hygiene. Good hygiene reduces the risk of infections that can affect the liver. 8. Eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. A healthy diet supports liver health and reduces the risk of fatty liver disease. 9. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps maintain liver function and promotes overall health. 10. Get regular checkups and screenings. Regular checkups and screenings allow for early detection and intervention for liver disease. 11. Regular exercise. Obesity is a significant risk factor for fatty liver disease. By reducing body fat, exercise can help prevent or improve fatty liver disease by burning calories, thereby promoting liver health. By incorporating these preventive measures into our daily lives, we can protect our liver and promote overall well-being. As we draw the curtains on our exploration of liver health, let's not forget the profound significance of this vital organ in sustaining our well-being. From its key functions to the warning signs of disease, understanding liver health is paramount for a life of vitality and vigor. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Together, let's raise awareness and champion liver health for all. Until next time, stay informed, stay proactive, and above all, stay healthy.